Hi, my name's Harrison Priest. I'm from Bramau and I'm studying level 2 painting and decorating. When we went on the open event, we were walking around the college showing you all the facilities and stuff. They took me to the paint and decorating room and it looked like fun, so I couldn't wait to start. So you'd start off sanding the wall down and then they would draw on a board to show you the drawing you have to do, and then you do that on your wall and then you end up painting it. My plans is for when I leave college is to work for the council for a few years, and if I don't want to stay with them, then I'm going to try start my own paint and decorating company. When I left school, I hardly had any grades. I had U's and E's in all my subjects, and thankfully I got lucky enough to be chosen to still join this course, and it's been amazing. It's one of the best colleges I find. It's so lovely. Some of the facilities here are amazing. The tutors are always happy to help.